What's up, guys? Reese here from reese3d.com. So we've looked at different ways of creating 3D models in Drippo AI. We also looked at the two types of models that or meshes that we can create. One is a high-risk version, and we also have an option for changing it to a smart mesh. So, which is a low poly mesh. Okay, so now they have upgraded this option. So it's no longer a smart low poly, but it has its own space here in the smart mesh section. Okay, so this is going to be more of a low poly model, which we can directly use into a game systems or game environment. So again, here we also have the options to use either image or multiple images, or we can also create multiple objects, and we can also use the prompt. Okay, so I'm going to use the prompt here. So I've just generated a prompt using Gemini to create a car, okay, Volkswagen Beetle model. So let's see what comes out from this prompt. I'll give the same prompt in the comment section, so if you want to use the same prompt, you can use it. All right, so we also have poly count, so I'm going to keep it as 5,000, so it's quite low poly. Let's see what kind of result we get. So let's give it some time. All right, wow. That looks really nice. I would have wanted the headlight to be popped out in a bigger size as a separate piece, not part of the entire body, but the overall shape is perfect. We've got a lot of work to do here, but we have the original shape there. If it had given the option to make it into quads, it would have been much better. Especially here, you can see the headlight areas. Needs a lot of work out. So it's not 100%, but this is a really good start where we can just make some changes to this model. Or if you want to use it directly as a prop, which is not going to have animations or movements or things like that, you can take this file and directly use it into a game engine. Okay, so let's just keep it as it is, and I'm going to use a higher poly count this time. Let's see with 20,000 what kind of result we get. And I'm going to use the same prompt, okay? No changes to the prompt. Okay, oh my God. I have no idea what happened here. So actually there was, I think, one sentence that said the car has oversized expressive headlights, okay, like eyes. So it just created these two eyes to be placed there, maybe because there's more number of polygons now. Anyways, that's not what I wanted. I would have preferred that these eyes are actually placed here. But yeah, that's okay, which is still usable. If you want to avoid these kind of problems like the eye problems, we can generate an image using an image generation AI, and then you can use the same image imported into Drippo AI. So that way it will know exactly what kind of shapes to create and where to create. Okay, so that way you can avoid these kind of problems. But we needed the glasses to fill up this area. Okay, now I'm wondering why the option for quad is not available yet. It says it's coming soon, so I think with quad it should be able to make a better result. Okay, so let's just use the same prompt and see what kind of result we can get if we're using the HD model. Okay, so I'll go back to the HD model and I'll choose the text here, text prompt. Let's just keep it as it is, and I'm going to go with the ultra just to get the highest resolution possible, and let's keep everything else as it is. We need quads, okay, and I'm going to keep the poly count as keep it as auto and quads. Let's give it a try. Okay, so this is taking a long time to get it processed, so what I'm going to do is, meanwhile, we have an option here called returbo. I'm going to try to convert this quad triangles into quads using this. Okay, so I'm going to choose the asset here, and I'll choose quads, and we can use the smart low poly, or it's not supported, has been disabled automatically, no problem. So let's just keep it as poly count to be auto, no problem, and we'll click on the retopology. So it's not gonna create a new one, it is just going to modify on the same existing one. Interesting. If I wanted, I could have actually made a duplicate and then applied the retopology, but anyways, that's fine. That's really a nice job. Not perfect, but the edge flows are overall looking good. Problem is these are not ready to use. They are just 50% done. Is that a wiper? I'm trying to create a wiper there. But the flow looks okay. It's a good start, but still needs to go a long way. Let's give it a try on this model. Wow, that is really nice. Okay, we can actually check the topology here, the edge flow. The doors need some work, but the overall design looks nice. Why can't they just do it uniformly, same like left and right? Well, actually it looks good because of the texture, but if I take out the texture, that's when I will know the exact problems. Yeah. Tires are actually touching the body. But I think this is better than the other two models. The first one is very low poly. The second one was a mess. Compared to those two, I think this is much better. Somewhat usable. Okay, so that's Triple AI and the new Smart Mesh. So we have Smart Mesh and the HD model. So depending on what kind of use you have, you can choose the one that you like.